sat there and looked at the paper and fell asleep and I woke up.
All right, guys. Look at the bottom of your paper. Quit talking. Look at the bottom of your paper. Way down here at the bottom. That's where we're going to start, okay? Way down there at the bottom. Okay, just a few weeks ago, we talked about graphs and their names. Roberto, you ready? Okay. Jalen, you with me, bud? Okay. All right, here we go. So if this is a straight line, then what did we call that? Linear, quadratic, exponential, or none? Linear. So you would pick A. Very good. Y'all okay with that?
Okay.
All right. Let's look at number 1. Go back to the top of your paper. We're going to jump around a little bit, okay? We're going to do some easy problems. All right, number 1. Guys, what is that sign right there? Negative, right? Subtract. All right, so we're going to subtract. So, guys, what's the like terms that we could subtract on number 1? 4A minus 3A. What's 4 minus 3? 1A. Yep. All right, what else do you see that we could subtract? Well, that doesn't say 5. What's that say? Negative 5 minus 6. Use your calculator. Negative 5 minus 6. How much? Negative 11. Use your calculator. Negative 5 subtract 6 is negative 11. Minus. Alright, here we go. Let's look at number 2. Number 2. What are we going to do to the 4x cubed? There you go. Alright, let's do this one first. What's 4 times 3? 12. Okay, do you remember when we multiplied the x's? You add, Alfredo. Very good. So this would be x to the 3 plus 2 is 5. Very good. All right, let's do the next one. What number is right here that I'm going to multiply?
1.
What kind of 1? Negative. So what's 4 times negative 1? Negative 4. All right, I'm going to add, you said, but it's 3 plus what number?
1.
What's 3 plus 1?
4.
X to the 4. Very good, guys. All right, number 3. Here we go. Number 3. When you have it equal to 0, and you have multiplication, look at you, Calvin. Very good. You can cut it right there. So x equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. First one's finished. X equals 0. He's done. What do I need to do to this one? Subtract. Very good. So I'm going to do it on the side.
So it will be x equals negative 3.
X equals negative 3. Very good. Very good job. All right, number 4. How many terms do I have?
4.
And what? We FOIL. Very good. We just went over this. FOIL. What's the first? 4m and times m. What's 4m times m? 4m squared. Very good. All right, what's my outer?
4 and negative 3.
4m and negative 3, right? What's 4m times negative 3?
Negative 12m.
Perfect. All right, what's my inner?
8m.
8 times m
8m.
plus 8m. Very good. And my last?
84.
Negative 3 times
8.
8. What's negative 3 times 8? Negative 24. Very good. Do you see anything? What do you see?
12.
Negative 12 and 8. What's that give me? What's negative 12 plus 8?
4.
Negative 4m. Very good. Very good. Okay, factoring. We spent a whole quarter, all third quarter we spent on factoring, right? Okay, so right here, factors of what number? 21 that add or subtract to be 10. All right, so what's the factors of 21? What numbers multiply to be 21? 1 and 21, 3 and 7. Is that the only ones?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, which one adds or subtracts to be 10? How?
You have them.
You add them. Very good. So I would do parentheses, x plus 3, and x plus 7. Very good job. That's it. All right, what about number 6? It says to factor. So factors of what number? 24. So what's the factors of 24? 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8. One more. 4 and 6. Very good. Which one? How? Which one? 8 minus 3 or 3 minus 8? I need negative 5.
It will be 3 minus 8.
3 minus 8. Very good. What kind of 3 is that? Positive. So it'd be x or k plus 3. And what kind of 8 is that?
K minus.
Minus. Very good. K minus 8. Y'all okay? All right. See if you can try number 7. You try number 7, okay? Alright, we're working on number 7. So what were the factors of 25? 1 and 25, 5 and 5. Now how do I get negative 10? Negative 5 and negative 5. Very good. If you go to Walmart and you spend $5, and then you go to McDonald's and you spend another $5, you have spent $10, right?
Yep.
Okay, what about number 8? Plus tax, yeah.
I was going to say no one actually found over. No, you can't.
So number 8, factors of what number? 35. What are the factors of 35? 1 and 35. 7 and 5. That's it, right? Which one gives you negative 2? How? 5 minus 7. Very good. You got to do the right order because 7 minus 5 would be positive 2. So what kind of 5 is that? Positive. What kind of 7 is that? Negative. There you go. Y'all okay? Okay. Y'all okay? Alright. So we're going to come back and do a few of these problems every day next week. So let's go to the back. Let's go to the back. Alright, number 19. Number 19. Okay, so we already said that number 18 was a straight line. What's a straight line? Which one? Linear. So is this a straight line? No, so it's not A. Don't pick A.
It's D.
Okay? No. What was the U-shaped graph? Not exponential, no.
No.
Quadratic. Very good. That was the U shape. Quadratic. Y'all okay? You with me? You off your phones and you with me? Okay. Alright. Which one is exponential? A square? The X? Or the 1? Okay, look at how you say this. How do you say this? You say it exponential. So which one is it?
X.
The X. Very good. You say it exponential. So it's the one with the X. See the exponent right here is an X? Are y'all okay with that? Okay. Let's look at number 21. Okay. It wants to know how many solutions. In other words, it wants to know how many times it hits the x-axis right here. Does it hit the x-axis any? No. None. So it would be no solutions. Very good. No solutions. Okay, the rest of them we've been working on and working on and working on. 27. What perfect square goes into 27? 4 is not a perfect square. 4 does not. 9. 9 times 3. Guys, use your calculator. Quit guessing. What's the square root of 9?
3.
So this is 3 square root of 3. Y'all okay? Y'all getting this down? This is a grade. Are you doing this with us? Okay, you try 23. You try 23. See what perfect square goes into 147. So what perfect square went into 147?
49.
49 times what? 3.
Make 7.
7 square root of 3. Very good. Are y'all okay?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to skip a few of these. Let's go down to number 28. Let's go down to number 28. Y'all ready? We just took a test on this yesterday. We just took a test. What number is here? 1. Then there's negative 3. And what number's here? 1. You ready? What are we going to do? Multiplication. Very good. What are we going to multiply here? 1 times negative 3 is? Negative 3. What else are we going to multiply here?
6.
Times?
15.
What's it give you?
That's 40.
90. Very good. All right, let's do the next one. Multiply. What are you going to multiply between these?
1.
1 times 1
1.
is 1. And what about inside?
115.
15 times 2 is 30. Okay, is there a perfect square that goes into 90?
Yes.
What? What is it? 9 times what? Times 10.
What should be 310?
All right, is there a perfect square that goes into 30?
Yes.
Yes.
There is? 15 is not a perfect square.
There's no perfect square?
There's not a perfect square that goes into 30.
1.
Well, 1 does, right? All right, bring down your negative 3. Times, what's the square root of 9? 3. Square root of 10. And then plus 1. Times, what's the square root of 1? 1. Yeah. So let's multiply and then we're done. So what would you get?
9
Negative
squared
9.
Negative 9
1.
Every 10.
plus 1 square root of 30. Very good. Okay, so I want you to try 29. You try 29. Okay, what number is right here?
1.
1. What number is right here? 1. Okay, you try 29. Go.
Gotta break it down.
All right, guys, here we go. Multiply. What do you get when you multiply?
45.
1 square root of 45. Very good. All right, then I'm done with this one. I'm done. He's gone away. Now multiply this. What do I get when I multiply?
1. I mean, not even 1. 3.
3, and then don't forget the square root of 15. Very good. All right, 45. What perfect square goes into 45, guys?
So
9 times 5. Very good. What about 15? What perfect square goes into 15? 1 times 15. Very good. All right, bring the 1 down. What's the square root of 9?
3.
3. Bring your 3 down. What's the square root of 1? 1.
Yeah, there's really not.
No. Some people just need to see it. If you see it already, don't worry about it. All right, multiply. What do you get?
3.
3 square root of 5 and
Those 3.
okay, square root of 15. Can I add those?
No,
Why?
because like 3 is the square root of 5 and 3 is square root of 15.
Very good. 1 square root of 5, 1 square root of 15. They are not the same. Are y'all okay? Yes? Okay, we will call that a day for today. Do not lose this. Look, if you think you're going to lose it, put it in the tray with your name on it. That way it will be there when we come back to it tomorrow. Okay?